Welcome back. I'm glad you joined me again. This collection that we're featuring today is the Eucalyptus Berry Collection, and it's really a great collection showing the lamb's ear and some dusty miller along with the silver dollar eucalyptus and a berry. Beautiful garland as well as the wreath, and we're going to create an arrangement in the verge cube, ceramic cube, that I've already prepped with our foam and some moss, and we're just going to make a beautiful centerpiece. As you can see, it's pretty much a self-made combination with the foliages and the green that just make a beautiful setting. So try this out and I'm sure you're going to love it. If you love berries, you're going to love this collection.